Confucius, a revered philosopher and teacher, lived in ancient China during a time of great cultural and political change. His teachings and insights would shape the moral and ethical fabric of Chinese society for centuries to come. The scholar's journey. In the state of Lu, there lived a young man named Confucius, known as Confucius. From an early age, he exhibited a thirst for knowledge, spending hours engrossed in ancient texts and teachings. Driven by a desire to bring positive change to the world, he sought to understand the principles that governed a harmonious society. Confucius embarked on a journey to learn from renowned scholars and wise men across China. He immersed himself in various disciplines, studying history, ethics, music, and governance. His travels not only expanded his knowledge, but also exposed him to the diverse customs and philosophies prevalent in different regions. During his travels, Confucius encountered individuals from all walks of life, from peasants to nobles. He listened attentively to their stories, gaining insight into the struggles and aspirations of the common people. These encounters deepened his empathy and reinforced his belief in the importance of compassion and understanding in society. His quest for wisdom led him to reflect on the principles of moral conduct and governance. He envisioned a society where virtue, respect, and righteousness formed the foundation of harmonious relationships between individuals and within the state. Legacy of wisdom. Confucius's teachings, compiled in the Analects by his disciples, became a cornerstone of Chinese philosophy and ethics. His emphasis on moral integrity, respect for traditions, and the importance of education resonated deeply with generations to come. Even after his passing, Confucius's legacy endured. His philosophy influenced governance, education, and societal norms in China and beyond. The Confucian principles of harmony, social order, and ethical behavior continued to shape the cultural fabric of East Asia for centuries, leaving an indelible mark on the world. The stories of Confucius's travels, teachings, and the enduring impact of his wisdom continue to inspire individuals seeking guidance on matters of ethics, morality, and the pursuit of a virtuous life. His legacy remains a testament to the enduring power of wisdom and compassion in shaping civilizations. Confucius's philosophy revolves around ethical and moral principles, aimed at creating a harmonious society through personal cultivation and proper governance. The basis of Confucian philosophy, emphasizing the importance of ethical behavior, social harmony, and the cultivation of virtuous individuals as the pillars of a well-functioning society. Confucius envisioned a world where each person, through self-cultivation and adherence to moral principles, contributes to a peaceful and prosperous community.